In this video, let me teach you on how to delete photos and recycling bin on Samsung phone. Let's start this tutorial by deleting a photo first to show an example. Go over to your Photos app and then select what photo that you want and then delete it. Now the photo will be moved in the recycle bin or the trash bin. After that, go back to your album and then tap on the More option or the horizontal lines below. Choose Trash Bin or Recycle Bin from the pop-up. Now in here, click on the More option from the top and select Empty. Now confirm your action and there it will be permanently deleted on your device. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.